I'm Mexine Henry-Wilson. I have had various public positions. I was the Minister of Education for a period of time. I was the General Secretary of the National Party. I came to National Chest Hospital in March of last year. And I had been feeling ill for a period of time. I was so sure that I had been COVID-proof. And I chose National Chest Hospital because I always heard about compassion of the staff here, their professionalism, etc. The staff was extremely professional. I could see that they were overstressed because every minute somebody came in, they had to replace some oxygen, sometimes they had to go for new oxygen, tanks, etc., etc. I think that the care that I got here really placed me in a more confident situation. And even when I was leaving, and the gentleman who had taken me to the X-ray came and said, everything went all right, Miss Whisper, what you said? I would really like to thank the entire staff of the National Chest Hospital for their commitment, their diligence, their professionalism, and for them really taking me over that threshold, giving me the confidence that I could survive and that I would survive. And in the middle of all of it, also having a little bit of humor. Thank you very much. You're well deserving of the award.
Yes, my name is Milton Chung. I'm a Juste Esquire, and I'm also a business operator. I'm the owner of Blue Diamond Taxi Cab and Easy Street Working Service. I was admitted to the National Chest Hospital on the 19th of September 2021. I had a condition where I was diagnosed as if I had COVID. That's what I was told eventually. And based on my diagnosis, I was sent here directly to be treated. I stayed at this hospital for 2 weeks. I myself at that time didn't even feel like I have COVID or anything. I believe the National Chest Hospital really deserve an award for their outstanding service. I believe the doctors and the nurses are exceptional. They treat us as if everything was all right. My memorable moments was at the time when I realized that I was on the COVID ward. I was like, hey, I didn't even know that. What I'd like to say to the staff of the National Chest Hospital is to keep working hard. And taking care of people here is their number one priority, and I can see that. And I really congratulate them on their hard, dedicated work. And I can attest to that the National Chest Hospital, I guarantee, coming here, they will take care of you.
My name is Juste. I'm Managing Director of Time Code Productions Limited, a film production company. Back in April 2021, Easter Saturday to be exact, I was admitted to the National Chest Hospital with COVID pneumonia. And I spent roughly 3 weeks here battling the disease. The facilities and the care and the medical attention was first class. Just was one of the best facilities to deal with COVID-19 at the time. I couldn't even walk 3 feet without gasping for air. I mean, I felt like I'd just run a mile and had no oxygen left in the body. If you saw the x-rays of my lungs, you couldn't see them. They were just a white mass. Anywho, the whole attention to the patients was superb. From the senior medical staff, to the nurses, to the ancillary staff, to even the gentleman who changed the oxygen tanks. Surprisingly enough, I felt comfortable. You know, the ceilings were high so that it was fairly cool. The staff made it more comfortable and made it more that you can just survive and continue to try and fight the disease. The ultimate memorable moment was when they felt that I could breathe on my own, my oxygen levels were high, and that I didn't need the support of oxygen. The recognition of the National Chest Hospital for exemplary service, outstanding service, great medical service, welcome. They had the experience, obviously, because they do a lot of work, the pulmonary work with the lungs and so on and so forth. And because of that experience, they were able to apply that knowledge. They deserve the medical and the recognition and that kind of concern, that kind of care, as if I was their personal child that they were looking after and wanted to ensure that I survived. It was like the race to ensure many people survive and can leave the hospital healthy. To everybody, thank you. A big thank you. You saved my life. Because of you, I'm able to say congratulations. Job well done.